Building credit can sometimes feel like a tricky situation. It's like a catch-22. To build credit, you need to use credit, but if you don't have a credit history, getting approved for any type of credit account can be a real challenge. But hey, don't worry, there's good news. If you're just starting out and looking to build your credit, there are plenty of fantastic strategies available to you. Let's explore some of the most effective ways to kickstart your credit journey. We've got your back with a step-by-step guide that will transform you into a credit superstar. Step 1. Get a secured credit card. Starting from scratch to build credit? No worries, we've got you covered. Step 1 is all about getting a secured credit card. It's like a regular credit card, but with a twist. You'll need to pay a security deposit upfront, which acts as collateral. Use it wisely, make small purchases, and always pay on time to build that positive credit history. If getting a regular credit card seems like a challenge, don't fret. Step 2 involves becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. Ask a trusted friend or family member with a solid credit history to add you to their account. You'll get your own card and enjoy the benefits of their positive credit behavior. But wait, before you dive into the credit card world, let's assess your financial habits. It's important to use credit responsibly. Remember, credit card debt in America has soared to staggering amounts. So don't max out your card and make sure to pay your bills on time and in full every month. These simple steps will pave the way to establish your credit and demonstrate responsible management. Step 2. Become an authorized user. If getting a credit card in your name is proving tricky, here's a friendly tip. Ask a close friend or family member with an excellent credit history to add you as an authorized user on their account. It's like getting your very own credit card, but with a little boost from someone who's already acing their credit game. When you become an authorized user, you can use the card for your own purchases, and the best part is that the account's payment activity will be reflected in your credit report. Becoming an authorized user can be a game changer. You'll have your own card and make purchases as if it's yours, all while the payment activity boosts your credit report. But here's the catch: you're connected to the primary cardholder's credit. If they stumble on payments or go on a spending spree, it affects your credit too. Choose someone reliable and watch your credit scores soar together. Step 3. Get a credit builder loan. If you're starting with no credit or limited credit history, don't worry. You can still take steps to build up your score. One great option is a credit builder loan. Unlike traditional loans, you don't need proof of good credit to be approved. Instead, you just need to make sure you can afford the monthly payments. Here's how it works. The loan amount is held in a bank account while you make regular payments. You'll continue making fixed monthly payments until the end of the loan term. Once you've paid off the loan, the lender returns the full amount to you, along with any interest you paid. It's like repaying a loan while building credit at the same time. Since your payment history has a big impact on your credit score, accounting for 35% of it, a credit builder loan is an excellent tool for establishing a positive payment history. It's a win-win situation. Step 4. Report rent and utility payments. If you're someone who always pays their rent and utility bills on time but lacks a credit history, there's a cool solution for you. Consider using a rent reporting service to add that valuable information to your credit reports. These handy tools connect to your bank account and add your on-time rent, phone, and utility payments to your credit report. This makes it super easy for new credit builders like you to showcase a positive payment history. It's a fantastic way to give your credit score a boost while highlighting your responsible financial habits. Step 5. Chip away at student loans. While we don't recommend taking out a loan solely to build credit, your student loans can actually work in your favor when it comes to building credit. Since they're reported to credit bureaus, responsible management of these installment loans can boost your credit history. With the current pause on student loan payments, any money you put towards them not only reduces your debt, but also helps improve your credit score. It's a win-win situation. Step 6. Maintain smart credit habits. Remember, there's no quick fix when it comes to building credit. It's all about consistent effort and wise choices. Keep these credit habits in mind. Timely payments. Pay all your bills on time, in full or at least the minimum amount due each month. Setting up automatic payments can prevent accidental late payments. Utilization optimization. Aim to use less than 30% of your total credit limit to maintain a healthy credit utilization rate. Pace yourself. Avoid applying for multiple credit accounts simultaneously. Spacing out your applications by at least 6 months prevents temporary drops in your credit score. Monitor regularly. Stay on top of your credit score by regularly checking your credit reports for accuracy. You can access your free credit report 3 times a year through annualcreditreport.com. By following these tips, you'll unlock the full potential of your credit building journey and reap the rewards of your efforts. Remember, building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Step 7. Building good credit. Mistakes to avoid to build credit successfully. It's important not only to adopt smart credit habits, but also to steer clear of certain pitfalls that can harm your score. Let's take a look at some habits you should avoid as you embark on your credit building journey. Firstly, avoid spending beyond your means. It's crucial to establish a budget that allows you to pay off your accounts in full each month. This not only protects your credit score, but also keeps you from accumulating unnecessary debt. Next, resist the urge to cancel old credit accounts. Even if you no longer use them, keeping these accounts open can work in your favor. Canceling them may decrease the average age of your credit history, which, in turn, can lower your credit score. So hold on to those old accounts and let them contribute positively to your credit age. Another common mistake is making only the minimum payment on your accounts. While it may seem tempting to pay the minimum amount due, this can prolong your repayment timeline and result in additional interest charges. Aim to pay off your balance in full each month to stay on track and minimize unnecessary expenses. Remember, building credit takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. As your credit score strengthens, you'll gain access to better credit cards, lower interest rates, and more favorable loan terms. Keep a close eye on your credit score, stay determined, and watch your credit soar to new heights. So let's commit to building credit the right way. Smart choices, responsible spending, and timely payments will pave the way to financial success. You're now armed with a treasure trove of knowledge on how to build credit from scratch. If you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be starting their credit journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future money-making tips and credit-boosting strategies.